Sunflowers. Sunflowers are known for their tall stems. Some varieties can grow as tall as 10 feet or more. Imagine standing next to a sunflower that's as tall as your house. Sunflowers are heliotropic, which means they follow the movement of the sun across the sky. From sunrise to sunset, they turn their faces to always be facing the sun. The center of the sunflower is made up of many tiny flowers. If you look closely, you'll see the spiral pattern of these flowers. Sunflowers attract all sorts of helpful insects like bees and butterflies with their sweet nectar. Birds also love sunflower seeds, and sometimes you can see them perched on the flower, munching away. Sunflower seeds are ready to be collected when the sunflower looks like it's wearing a brown or yellow hat on its back. The petals fall off and the seeds inside the hat become firm and make a rattling sound when you shake it. You can use scissors to cut the sunflower hat, leave a little stem, and put it in a dry place until it feels crispy. Then you can easily take out the seeds. These seeds are not only yummy to eat, but if you keep some, you can also grow your own sunflowers next year. Sunflowers typically bloom in late summer to early fall. Harvest the seeds when the flower heads are fully mature, usually in late fall before the first frost.